When hope was almost lost, one devotee changed everything.
My Lord, will you ever come to take me back?
Suddenly, Lord Hanuman enters.
Mother, do not be afraid. I am Hanuman, the humble servant of Lord Rama.
Has my Lord truly remembered me?
This is a message from my Lord.
This was not just a ring, it was a promise.
Lanka's downfall is near. I have seen Mother Sita. Now nothing can stop Lord Rama.
This is the power of faith and devotion.
With victory in his heart, he carried hope across the skies. Hanuman, I know you will return.
My lord, I have found Mother Sita.
The war for righteousness had begun. The time has come. We march to Lanka. An army of devotion ready for war. An army. We are ready, my lord.
But one challenge still stood in their way: the mighty ocean.
If the ocean does not give way, I will force it to. We will not destroy. We will build our path.
An army of devotion began the impossible.
For you, my lord, nothing is impossible.
With the name of Lord Rama, even stones refused to sink.
The path was built. Now the war begins.
Jai Shri Ram!
With faith as their path,
Jai Shri
they
Ram!
marched toward destiny.
They did not rush into war. They prepared.
To return Sita and end this without war.
I will never bow, not to Rama. Then war is the only path left.
So, the great war began.
For my Lord Rama. Only death awaits you, Lakshman.
Warriors clashed with unmatched fury.
Lakshman, stay with me.
Only one hope remained. Hope returned. Now, only one battle remained.
This ends today.
Ravana fired arrows on Lord Rama. He became invincible.
For righteousness, this ends now.
Victory belongs to Dharma.
Even the greatest must fall.
Dharma has prevailed.
My Lord,
This victory belongs to Dharma, not to me.
Truth always triumphs.
Audio Jungle.